One of the most delicious meals that you can order in a restaurant is an expensive dish that you can make cheaper in your own home. I'm gonna show you how to make crab legs from Alaska served with a brown butter dipping sauce. I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is Seafood Without the Catch. The secret to this amazing recipe? Wild Alaskan crab from Hy-Vee.
Crab legs are available year-round. They're flash frozen on the boat.
They're frozen at the peak of freshness.
They get caught, cooked, froze right there. You can't get fresher than that. People don't realize that crab is cooked, so we just have to let them know that their job's already done for them.
So what makes Alaska crab so special?
Sustainability. It's not overfished.
And this is the bear dye.
Yes. The bear dye is just a jumbo version of a snow crab. I would say it's the sweetest crab that we have. These guys are gonna show off really good on a plate.
I'm gonna take a couple of those clusters of the bear dye crabs and head back to the kitchen, start melting butter.
Great, I'll wrap them up for you.
The hardest thing that you have to do when you're making crab legs at home, boil water. I like a big pot like this. And the first thing that I want to do is I want to flavor that water with this incredible seasoning mix from Zatarain's. Bay leaf, chili, mustard seed, and coriander, allspice, black pepper, and fennel seed. It's fantastic. Next step, just take 2 lemons, slice them into thin sections, and put those in here. And I let that sit for about 20 minutes while I get everything else ready. Stick of butter, well, let's go 2. I got a lot of crab. So you can see some of those solids are starting to brown around the edges. Those are the toasted dairy solids. That's what you're looking for. So now we can season it. Look at how that foams when we add the lemon zest. We'll add the juice of half a lemon as well. A little bit of honey, Dijon mustard. And all I want to do is stir that in. We'll pour that into our container for dipping. Let's check this out. Oh, perfect. So now we have this crab. What's gonna happen when I put 3 or 4 pounds into simmering water? It's just gonna drop the temperature. And over the next 10, 15 minutes, it's gonna go back up. These crab legs will be defrosted and they'll be hot. Put some paper here, just that we don't have any spills. Leftover crab meat is something that I always strive for. Pull the crab out of the shell and make crab salad, make fresh crab and artichoke dip. Ooh. Turn it into a crab roll on a toasted hot dog bun. There's nothing better. So I'm just gonna show you, twisting at the top, pull the sinew out. So now we have a perfectly clean piece of crab leg meat in there. You can take a seafood scissor, you can take a small hand scissor. All you have to do is come down the edge here and open that up. And you can see the crab leg in there. So you just use your thumb, loosen that, and you have this beautiful piece of crab meat. Anywhere you see a knuckle, there's gonna be meat that comes out. See that big nubbin of meat? There's meat all the way through here. Big pieces of what we would call bear dye lump. There you have it, bear dye crab with brown butter sauce. Don't wait for a special occasion to make this dish.